There is another matter that I need to discuss before we conclude. I want to touch on an issue that my opponent is making the centerpiece of her campaign. And that is the allegation that I was involved with sexual misconduct with a minor. She has accused me of being a sexual criminal or a predator of some kind. I want you all to know that the allegation is completely and utterly false. I have never been convicted of a crime. I have never been convicted of a crime. I have never been sanctioned by any bar association. Here are the facts. I've been an attorney for 40 years. In 1983, when I was living in Baltimore, I was falsely accused of a crime. But I was exonerated. I was exonerated of that crime. I did not plead guilty to any criminal offense. I was not convicted in any court of law of a criminal offense. The entire matter, and this is back in 1983, 1984, the entire matter was investigated by the District of Columbia Bar Association, and I was cleared. I was cleared. I kept my bar license because I hadn't done anything wrong. So I have had a 40-year career as an attorney that is simply an unblemished career. The same finding was made a few years later by the Maryland Bar Association when I was admitted to practice law in Maryland. And in 2004, the same finding was made by the Arizona Bar Association when I was admitted to practice law in Arizona. Someone who's been convicted of a serious crime, someone who's really been convicted of any kind of a crime, cannot practice law anywhere. The bar associations, that's one of the requirements. You can't have a serious criminal conviction and practice law. I have been an attorney for 40 years and able to practice law because I do not have a criminal conviction. So why is she doing this? Why is she doing this? As a prosecutor and as an attorney and as a member of the Arizona Bar, as I am, Ms. Polk is well aware of this, that I don't have a criminal conviction. Maryland actually expunged the matter. All right? But she's still using it, and I think she's using it because she simply doesn't have anything else. After 20 years as our county attorney, the only thing she can run on is that my opponent is unfit for office. That's all she can say. And I think that's pretty sad after 20 years in office. So my job in this campaign is to vindicate my name. I'm going to carry on with the campaign, of course. And I hope to make the case that after 20 years, it's time for a new county attorney in Yavapai County. Thank you very much.